Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are a new member, I gladly welcome you to my channel. My name is Sunday Oyeleke. I'm a forex trader as well as network marketer. Yeah. So, if you're already a subscriber to my channel, welcome back. Today, I wanted to show you some important factors that you need in your forex journey. In your forex journey. So there are some things that you have to know. So one of the things you have to know is what I already outlined here, and that is what trading account is, what is a broker account, how to open a live trading account in Fresh, how to integrate your trading account into MT4 or MT5. So I got to understand that mostly the beginner, they can't distinguish or differentiate between what trading account is what broken account is. So firstly, I'm going to use an opera to explain what these are. So now, a broker account, number one, a broker account, we start with broker account. A broker account, if you are really following the course, or you thought you will have heard about broker. A broker in forex refers to as bank. They are forest bank that carry out all activities you partake in forest, and I will just compare them to the normal commercial banks in your countries. So their aim is to make money too. They are in the business to make money. So as a broker, they are expected to provide some certain details for you. That is, if you wanted to register in any commercial banks, they are going to give you their forms to fill. So in that note, if you really want to open a broker account, you must have one thing in your mind, that is, what kind of broker am I going to hope? And that will lead us to where I'm going to introduce you to Alt Forest. Alt Forest is a reliable broker account that have been in existence over 10 years, and they have fast withdrawal as well as convenience deposit option. So if you are thinking of opening an account with flexibility and everything, even they have spread zero spread accounts that and their spread is tight. Those are the criteria you need as a beginner. On my description, sorry, the phone just knocked. So now, uh this is what we are going to talk about, and I've already said a broker account are accounts you create with the broker and with the broker. So the next thing is, what is trading account? A trading account is an account you created for the purpose of trading alone. Take for instance, when you went to the bank, you asked the bank that you wanted to open an account. True or false? That is true. So the bank will decide the kind of account they will open for you. Let's say you are a student, you want to open an account. They will open student account for you with some criteria. In my country, you have something we call student account, and that is the maximum money that the account can accumulate is 500,000. In some bank, one some bank is 100,000, 200,000. This varies. So a broker account too has their own different kind of accounts, and I will be showing you that while I was in this tutorial. So a trading account is varies by broker too, but I'm going to use Hot Forest for us to understand this very well. So now, number three, how to open live trading account in Hot Forest. So how to open a live trading account in Hot Forest. Now, before you can open a live trading account in Hot Forest, you must firstly create account with them. So let's proceed and uh, open a new tab. Open a new tab and type in the address. So here I have hotforest.com. Good. You can see open live account, open demo account. You can easily do that straightforward. But for you to enjoy that, you need to register To register, you need to firstly register with them. As you can see, they say open live trading account. That's true. But as you can see, the website is very cool. So let's click on login. While we are waiting for that, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, it is very important that you do that, because if I drop a content that is very valuable for your for your forest journey, once you subscribe, you will be the first to see my notification. So now let's say you are yet to register. So just click on not registered and click on register. Click on that. So one thing about forex trading is that if you are a team and you have a corporate that you wanted to open an account for, like you wanted to trade as a corporate, like a firm, you can choose Hot Forex broker as the best option, because they have a trading account for that. So let's see. Okay, now as an individual, if you are individual, like of yourself, you're trading for yourself. It's the best account that you could create is the individual account. So you can see open a live trading account in less than 3 minutes. So before that, you're going to fill this account details to, like, your country. Let's see. They are in numerous countries, as you can see. As you can see, you are in Pau, New Guineas. You have Paraguay, Peru, Philippines, Poland. All those countries are there. All the countries are there. So just choose your country and proceed. Choose your country and proceed. Here I'm in Nigeria. As you can see, Nigeria, and put your appropriate number. Put your number. Put your first name on your, as you can see, same as your identity document. I mean, the name on your ID card. If you are using voters card, ensure you use the name on your voters card. And last name, the same name. Use your active Gmail too, and put in your accurate details here. And your login password should be also visible. And once you do that, choose the account you prefer. Here we have USD, we have Nigeria as in Nigeria, and you have Euro. That is the three accounts they can provide for you. So lastly, click on mark this box and click on register. If you have done that, it will give you the mail will be sent to your Gmail to verify your account. That is the stage you already open a broker account, and there they will ask you to verify your identity card. After you tender the identity card, they will verify you as their member. That process you just did is known as KYC. Know your customer. They just verify you as their what? As their customer. Do you get it now? So after you have done that, you are going to log in. Because I've already registered with them, I'm going to log in. I'm going to log in. So as you can see, you see continue with account. I've already have the account there. Just place continue. That is my account. And don't ever show your password to anybody, because if you do that, you may be hacked, and you can lose all your hard earning. So don't be how can I say, don't lose guide. Yes, that's how I used to tell my guy. Don't lose guide. Don't lose guide and show your account, your password to people. And so let's log in. After you are logging, you're going to land to your dashboard. To your dashboard. As you can see, I'm already in my dashboard, and here am I. So as you can see, I will be explaining this content one after the other. I will start with the deposit funding aspect. So click on deposit if you wanted to deposit your account. So one thing about Forex is that you can deposit before you open your trading account. And if you do that, these are the depositing option for you. We have you can deposit using what bank transfer. You can deposit through your card, all. So you can deposit using cryptocurrency too. An alternative, I think we have it there, as you can see. You can deposit with Perfect Money, Neteller, BitPay, crypto payment, web payment, Versa Pay, Pay Redeem Card, Skrill. If you have Skrill account, you can deposit using the option. And for the bank, for the credit card, you know the option, right? Just click on the e-payment, e-com pay, and you put in your amount. You put in your amount. The minimum here is $5 using your card. But before you can use your card, I think you have to verify you are going to verify your KYC first. And after you do that, put in the amount. Let's say you wanted to deposit 100. You just click on plus 100, as you can see, and click on deposit. So I think it's going to lead you to where you're going to put in your, as you can see, this is as if you wanted to buy from a store or using your card. So once you click on putting the necessary details and click on pay, it will lead you to the appropriate area. So let's back. I think I'm going to log in again. Okay, here we go. We're already logging in again. That is how they program the website. If you just log out, I mean open a trading session, it will log you out and you will have to log in again. So now I've already talked about deposit rate, and with the withdrawal, is very fast. You can withdraw, and within 5 minutes you get credited. That one thing about Forex. So unlike the other platform, you can withdraw using any of these payment options directly to your bank, to your online bank. Just choose your convenience, and you have the details per the withdraw, per the withdraw. So you can only withdraw from my Hot Forest wallet, and that is where your money is. That is where your money is. Let's say you are the type that you don't use to trade. You can withdraw your money from trading accounts to your my wallet, and 1 year, 2 years, nothing will happen to your money. Are you getting it now? So now I will just head to my primary objective here is to create a live trading account and integrate it with the MT4. So how to create live trading account? You can see trading. We have my trading account. You have under my trading account, we have MT4 platform, MT5 platform, trading tools, trading products, promotions. All those things are what you need. What you need. If you have time, just smooth it and you will get it done. So my trading account here. So we have it here. We have it here, like we have it open live trading account. Open live trading account. So you're going to click on open live trading account. Open live trading account. So yes, after I click on the trading account, I landed to the account option they have. Here we talk on the account. One, we have premium account. So under the premium account, the minimum deposit is $100 and their leverage is 1:500, and the spread is 1 pips, and that is okay. 1 pips. So you have option for what? For bonus. For bonus is available for you. Another account here is micro account. Minimum deposit is $5 and the leverage is 1:1000. Spread is 1 piece as well. And here we have zero spread. So the zero spread is 200 minimum deposit and the leverage is 1:500. The spread is zero. Zero spread. So these are the accounts available on MT on the Hot Forest as an individual account. So if you are the type that you don't have money less than up to $100, you choose micro account. But I will recommend you to open a premium account with minimum deposit of $100. And if you did that, you are going to have a reasonable return amount of money. I highly recommend it as well. So let's open an account. So I'm going to open a premium account here. Okay, as you can see, it leads me to where I'm going to open the account. So one thing here is that we have two options here. The one is the premium MT4. If you are the type you are using MT4 application, or trading app or MT5. So you choose your preferable trading app. So I'm using MT4 here. I'm going to click on select, and it will lead me to where I'm going to put in my details. The level is already here. You didn't want to be bonus or not. So I don't really need the bonus. So what I need here is to just add my river. So, and I want you to do that as well for me, because that is the only way you can show love. You can show love. You can show love. So I'm going to put in my add river code. It implies that you really understand my content, and you follow it to the end. And by that, I will be able to connect with you and give you some insight information you need in taking your trade. So my code here is 3572 Just put in, after you have done that, click on add, and after you did that, I will click on open account. If I click on add here, because it's my referral code, it will go. So I'm going to cut it out. And open account. So once I did that, the account will open, and a mail will be sent to my Gmail. A mail will be sent to my Gmail. So your live trading account has opened. The same mail sent to my Gmail. As you can see, I already got a mail. So here, don't ever show your password, because this account I opened, I'm not intending on in funding it. I don't have intention in funding this account. So if you already got that, let's log in. So you are going to copy your trading account number, that is login ID. You will copy it, and the next thing you need is trading account password. You copy that one too, or write it in a very safe place. And the next thing you are going to do, use is server. You must understand this server. The server may be varies from one place to another, from one at a time. Okay, so you just copy the server ID, the server, and go and head to your MT4. I have it here, my MT4 MetaTrader 4. So here you go. So now add, or click on, allow it to load, and click on the three button, manage account, and click on add. Log into existence account, and paste the server here. It will load the server. So let's paste it here. Okay, live server 3. Click on it, and now head back to your the details you sent to you, be it on your Gmail or not. So copy it, the ID too, and paste here, and copy the password as well. Copy the password too, and paste here. After you are done that, click on save password and click on sign in. Save password. So the moment you did that, you already open a live trading account using MT4 on your Dundee broker. You already opened the account, and the reason why you know that it's function is that it will load the amount of the money, and naturally, initially, once you open a live trading account, you will have nothing on it. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you're going to transfer from my hot forest to your live trading account. I believe you really enjoyed the content in this video. Don't just walk by. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification, because the next time I drop a content, you are going to be the first to notify. See you in my next video.